Hi there, students. Okay, I'm going to look at the word Vim in this video. Okay, Vim is a noun. Maybe it's a little old-fashioned. It means energy and enthusiasm, particularly in the phrase Vim and Vigour. So my granny is 97 years old and still full of vim and vigour. Yeah? Enthusiastic for life, lively, energetic, enthusiastic. Okay, so she's full of vim. Notice it's a noun, and particularly common with this vim and vigour. The runners continued running with great vim, even though they had already covered 10 kilometers, with great vitality, with great energy, very healthily. Let's see, we can also use vim metaphorically, especially for writing, with a special style, a lively style of writing with energy. So, yeah, her writing has great vim to it. It's very lively, it's sprightly, it's animated, it's full of action and expression. I guess the action heroes in films are normally full of vim, even though things are going wrong. Okay, so it's like a lively, eager quality to do things. If you're full of bounce, full of dash, yeah, you're full of vim. Okay, and then as talking about mental or physical qualities, yeah, full of dash, full of verve. I think I'm going to make a video about that one as well. Vigorous, full of vitality. Okay, so full of vim and vigour. His writing is full of vim and vigour. It's energetic. It's full of zeal, spirit, and vitality. It's ready to go. Yeah, it's got a lot of power to it. So vim, formality. I think I would give this a 5 in formality. Use it anywhere, particularly the phrase vim and vigour. I think I would use them together. That's where they're most commonly seen. And then it's also a good word to use because it's not that common. As I said at the beginning, maybe a little bit old-fashioned, but I think it's perfectly fine to use. And then it probably comes from vim in Latin, which is the accusative singular of vis, meaning force, power, or strength, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European way, to chase or to pursue. Okay, so I hope this video's been full of vim and vigour and you've really enjoyed it. So if you did, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Vim and Vigour.